When it comes to weight loss, the advice is often simple. Eat less, move more, and avoid high-calorie snacks. But what if one of the most satisfying nutrient-rich snacks, almonds, could actually help you shed pounds rather than add them? The connection between almonds and weight loss success is surprising, backed by science, and offers a fresh perspective on healthy eating strategies. Let's explore how these humble nuts can play a significant role in achieving and maintaining your weight loss goals. Almonds have long been appreciated for their crunchy texture, mild flavor, and impressive nutrient profile. Rich in healthy fats, protein, fiber, vitamins, and minerals, they seem like a natural choice for anyone seeking a nutritious snack. Yet for decades, many have shied away from nuts, fearing their high calorie and fat content might sabotage weight loss efforts. Recent research, however, is turning this notion on its head, revealing that almonds can be a powerful ally in your weight management journey. So, what's the science behind this surprising link? To start, almonds are high in monounsaturated fats, the type of fat considered heart-healthy. These fats don't just support cardiovascular health, they help you feel full and satisfied after eating, reducing the likelihood of overeating later. When you eat almonds, the combination of healthy fats and protein triggers satiety hormones in your body, curbing your appetite and extending the time between meals. This means you're less likely to reach for sugary or processed snacks, helping you stick to your weight loss plan. But there's more to the story. Almonds are also a rich source of dietary fiber. Fiber plays a crucial role in digestive health, slowing the absorption of sugars and keeping blood sugar levels stable. Stable blood sugar means fewer energy crashes and cravings. Additionally, the fiber in almonds adds bulk to your diet, which not only aids digestion, but also helps you feel fuller for longer. As a result, snacks that include almonds can help control portion sizes and reduce your overall calorie intake throughout the day. One of the most fascinating discoveries about almonds is how your body processes their calories. Studies show that the way almonds are chewed and digested means not all of their calories are absorbed. Some of the fat in almonds is encapsulated in their cell walls and passes through the digestive tract undigested. This means the actual calorie intake from almonds may be lower than what's listed on the nutrition label. In fact, research suggests that up to 20% of the calories in whole almonds are not absorbed by the body. This calorie discrepancy gives almonds an edge over other snacks when it comes to managing your energy intake. Beyond the nutritional science, almonds offer practical benefits for weight loss. They're convenient, portable, and require no refrigeration, making them ideal for busy lifestyles. Instead of reaching for chips or cookies, keeping a handful of almonds in your bag can help you make better snacking choices on the go. The act of chewing almonds also contributes to the feeling of satisfaction. Because they require more chewing than softer snacks, almonds help slow down the eating process, giving your brain time to register fullness. The psychological effects of almond snacking are also worth noting. Weight loss often involves a sense of restriction, which can lead to feelings of deprivation and ultimately binge eating. Incorporating almonds into your diet can counteract this by providing a satisfying, flavorful treat that feels indulgent without derailing your progress. This sense of satisfaction can improve your overall relationship with food, making it easier to stick to healthy habits in the long term. Several studies have investigated the impact of almond consumption on weight loss outcomes. In one notable trial, participants who included almonds in a calorie-controlled diet lost more weight than those who avoided nuts altogether. The almond group also experienced greater reductions in waist circumference and improvements in cholesterol levels. Researchers attribute these results to the satiating effects of almonds and their unique nutritional profile. Of course, the key to leveraging the weight loss benefits of almonds is moderation. While they are lower in net calories than expected, they are still energy-dense. A typical serving size is about 1 ounce, or roughly 23 almonds. This portion provides around 160 calories, along with 6 grams of protein, 3.5 grams of fiber, and healthy fats. Enjoying almonds as part of a balanced diet, rather than as an endless snack, can help ensure you get their benefits without going overboard. Almonds are also versatile, fitting into a wide array of meals and snacks. Add sliced almonds to oatmeal or yogurt for a nutrient boost at breakfast. Toss them into salads for a crunchy texture, or blend them into smoothies for extra creaminess. Roasted or raw, whole or chopped, almonds can transform both savory and sweet dishes. Their mild flavor pairs well with a variety of ingredients, making it easy to incorporate them into your daily routine. For those with a sweet tooth, almond-based treats like homemade energy balls or almond butter can offer a healthier alternative to traditional desserts. Unlike highly processed snacks, these options provide a balance of protein, fiber, and healthy fats, helping to satisfy cravings without causing blood sugar spikes. It's important to note that not all almond products are created equal. Flavored or candied almonds can contain added sugars and oils, which can undermine your weight loss efforts. When choosing almonds, opt for raw, dry roasted, or lightly salted varieties, and pay attention to portion sizes. Pairing almonds with other healthy foods, such as fresh fruit, vegetables, or whole grains, can further enhance their benefits. In summary, the link between almonds and weight loss success is grounded in their unique combination of nutrients, their ability to promote satiety, and the way your body processes their calories. By making almonds a regular part of your healthy eating plan, you can enjoy a snack that supports your goals, keeps cravings in check, and provides lasting energy. Rather than viewing nuts as forbidden or problematic, embrace them as a powerful tool in your journey to better health. So, the next time you're searching for a satisfying snack, reach for a handful of almonds. You'll not only nourish your body with essential nutrients, but you'll also be taking a smart step toward lasting weight loss success. The science is clear. Almonds are much more than just a tasty treat. They're a surprising and effective ally in the pursuit of a healthier, leaner you.